Hi, I'm Shanya Karnaratna.
I'm Manula Premaratna.
I'm Adeekshana.
So as for my learning experience, being at BCC, we got a set of really great lecturers who interacted with us, who helped us out at any time, whether it was at 8 in the night or 10 in the night, even they were always willing to help us out with any doubts we had and were very helpful and very supportive.
My life at BCC was a really great learning experience. The learning modules were ideally stratified to help us absorb the lessons to a good extent.
As for the out-of-class experience, we had so many great activities. We had a session called Corporate Athleticism, which helped us nurture our soft skills and things like that. We had many other activities such as hosting Christmas events, where we had a lot of fun staying late and getting to know each other and sort of working together, which was a whole other experience for us. But my personal favorite was when we got to spend 2 months at a factory for our implant training, where me and a few friends got to spend our 2 months at Katunayaka.
We also got the opportunity to follow a really resourceful implant training session where we got to meet industry professionals as well.
Though we have lectures all day, they made sure our life is balanced by having a carom board and then a badminton court, and likewise those little activities we did that made sure that we have a great team. Those little events we did in the university which helped us improve our team building skills and meet the people in other batches likewise.